Hi guys, welcome to Filimize. Today we're gonna checking out my new car. If you haven't seen the collection of this car, click here, check on YIANNIMIZE YouTube channel. When you sit on this car, the first thing you have to do, leave the suspension out, because if the suspension is down, the car is not gonna work. This one is the driving settings I got, so it's 119, or everything's 119, so this one is 170, but it's playing around all the time. That's the ride height, so you can drive with this car like it's proper tight when you steer it, but it's all good. This car has been tuned by Litchfield, stage 4.5, I think it's 4.25. So I got some mode in here, so when I press the when I hold on the cancel mode, I can switch on like pops and bang, comfort mode, and B power. The B power one is the racing mode. My favorite one is the pops and bang. So let's go for the pops and bang. I'm gonna show else how it done. Let's pops and bang.
Yes, this car is sick.
I always wanted a GT-R. This is my childhood dream. So last year I went to NEC Autosport. I saw this car. They said it's for sale. So I said, I really want this car, but it's too expensive. They don't have the money. And then I came back this year. They said it's still for sale. So I thought about it. Spoke to my wife, and they said, yeah, go for it. Treat yourself. So yeah, here we are now. Speed is always the main thing as well. Like, I don't want to go to the 1,000 horsepower because it's gonna be too much, because look at the roads we got in here. We have to stop every few seconds. The only good thing on GT-R is you can tune it, like you can handle the power because it's 3.8 twin turbo in it. You can't use this one as a daily car because the petrol is gonna be expensive. Like, I don't know how much we're gonna spend today for driving around these few things. I've always been following Liberty Work for a long time now, and they get something different body kit because they got everything, like different bonnet, different bumpers, different side skirt, different wing, rear quarter, massive spoiler at the back. And once you get a car like Liberty Work body kit, you don't need to do anything, just change the color. My first car is a job car, my second car is a job car, my third car is a job car, my fourth car is a job car. All of them are Honda Civic. Yeah, Honda Civic is fun as well. It's something different. Like when you rev the car, you see the thing in the limiters keep bouncing like bang, 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 bang. But it ain't enough power. They said I'm running like, this car is running around like 690 brake horsepower, but I don't think it's running around 699 brake horsepower, so that's why I want to dyno it. So when I had the Honda Civic Type R, I always warm the engine up. I'm worried about the oil, is it going to be warming up or something, because I don't have the gauges, everything. But the good thing of this GT-R, look, everything's there. The boost as well. My favorite bit in this one, that you can do lower boost and higher boost as well. We're on the higher boost at the moment, then so you can lower it down. That's the low boost, so we're running on the low boost at the moment, so you can put it higher. Whoever built this one, I love it. Sick. And especially the thing is, what impressed me in this one is the air suspension, because normally if you got air suspension, like when you're driving, like everything's been like, it's like a bumpy. When you go to the little bumps, you're gonna feel the little bumpy, but this one is proper performance suspension, the AirRex suspension. Quite impressed me when I sit on here with Jimmy. He's driving with me, I didn't feel nothing. Unlike the other suspension, it's different, it's completely different. When I'm driving around, everyone's loving the car. Everyone keeps saying that it's nice car and everything, so the car is getting attention everywhere. So once we wrap the car, I don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe they're gonna follow me around.
Do you feel like Yan?
Yan is different, they always go for chrome. I don't have money for chrome. I got some, they call it a FI exhaust, so as you can see, that's not a standard sound. So as you can see, like sounds good as well, yeah. Fully exhaust system.
This car's sick, man. This car's sick.
You loving it, oh?
Yeah, man. Loving it.
I think Elliott enjoyed it, so
Enjoyed it too much.
so he had fun. You like it?
Yeah, man. I've been big GTR fan. Big
Okay,
GTR fan.
I love that, bro. I love that.
Yeah, man.
So that's why I love GTR, because as you can see, Elliott's loving it as well. He's enjoying it. You can see, if you can see his face right now, right here. So I'm gonna air you out, and I'm gonna give you some little rev on the car. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Now I need a little wash in here. I hope you had fun. Elliott had fun. I had fun as well. So everyone's happy. Stay safe, guys. Let me know what you want to see on the car. Comment down below. Let's do it. See you soon, guys.